My name is Nyungerl. I study in the Saint Sports School. Алгуула цав. This place is located in Mandalay area. It is famous for its natural and historical sites, and these places where fossils of dinosaurs were found. There are many red willows, so it is named Red Chap. Tourist camp. There is only one tourist camp running during tourist season so far. Copy. Dinosaur tourist camp is located right in behind of the Algored Creek. The tourist camp does a good job to take care of the area and escort tourists to Christian places where you can see the dinosaur bones and eggs. They aim put fences around some bones for protection. Some bones for protection, for it is only camp around the area. Their service is reasonably good, providing delicious meals and comfortable beds as well as hot shower. Bye. Thank you so much.